So I'm in the Google Play Store, and I'm going to go and I'm going to search for Minecraft Education Edition. And I can see that it is available to install on my Chromebook, which I already installed it, so I just need to open it. And you can see down here on the Chrome shelf that I've got Minecraft Education Edition on my Chromebook, and I already have it pinned, but I want to make sure it's pinned to the shelf. And you'll notice you will need your Microsoft login in order to log in. I logged into the Chromebook with my Google login, but I won't be able to log into Minecraft Education Edition with my Google login. So I am logged in with my Microsoft tenant so I can play and create a new world. New. And I'm going to do creative. Because if I want to do lessons, most of the time the lessons that I do are in creative mode. Not always. Sometimes I would have them in survival mode. And I like to show the coordinates. And I can play or host. Host means I can start a game and have students join in and we all be in the same learning space together. And I choose play.
I smelled the cold.
And as you can see, I am in Minecraft on my Chromebook, and apparently I spawned up in a tree, which is fine because I'm in creative mode, so I can fly by double tapping the space bar and going over my world.